Hi, welcome to onlyBBguns review channel. Today we'll be taking a look at the G26. The G26 is a 1:1 scale copy of the compact Glock. It's about 6 inches long and it's a spring gun, so it means one cock, one BB. It's full metal, fixed top up, has about, I think it's about 10 round mag. Now I've tested on 0.12 gram BBs, it's actually quite surprising at 150 FPS, but remember that's with 0.12s. As I said, it's full metal, really nice solid feel to it, quite easy to pull back. As I said, it's got a fixed top up because it is a spring gun, but it is ideal for beginners, back garden fun, or even just a bit of target practice. The magazine is plastic and as I said, it's 10 rounds, but it goes in quite nicely. Very solid, very well built gun.